Sammy the Squirrel is in the snow so deep. Olaf the Owl says, it's time for you to sleep. It's time for you to torpor, so you're cozy and tight, till the sun comes back to warm you and brings the morning light.
Round and round the seasons go.
Sammy learns as the winds blow.
Winter's cold but the lessons grow.
What's next? Sammy wants to know. Sammy hops to the brook where the cherry blossoms glow.
Buzz the bee shows him how the seedlings grow.
Spring is for the buzzing bees and the growing bright green scenes, with rain and sun and leafy greens. Spring's where nature grows.
Round and round the seasons go.
Sammy learns as the winds blow.
Springtime's here with a vibrant show.
What's next? Sammy wants to know. I bounce through the summer with Gary the green bug.
He plays his tunes and sings his songs and likes to give out hugs.
Sun helps the plants grow and the food we need. Sammy gathers all the nuts he needs, and with lightning speed.
Round and round the seasons go.
Sammy learns as the winds blow.
Summer shines, makes the rivers flow.
What's next? Sammy wants to know. The leaves swirl down in the autumn breeze.
Dan the duck can fly with ease.
He says it's time to get ready, it's time to prepare. Sammy stores his food, winter it's done with love and care.
Now you know the seasons.
Now you know all for the winter snow and the springtime grow and the sunny summer air.
The fall brings changing colors and leaves are everywhere.
These are all 4 seasons, it's best to be prepared.